Okay, we're going to make a motion project again. Duration is going to be 20 seconds. We don't need 20 seconds. Let's just do 10 for now. And we're going to change the frame rate to 24. Okay, we're going to change the size of the screen, and then we're going to add some text. I have cap locks on. CCI film production. And then I'm going to highlight my text, and then I'm going to change the properties of it in the inspector. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to a 3D style. I'm going to change it to chiseled. I'm going to change it so it's center justified, and then I'm going to resize it slightly. Okay, so now that we have this highlighted, we're going to select a behavior. We're going to select a text animation behavior and sequence text. So you'll now notice that you have arrows around it. So I'm going to take the arrows and I'm going to move my text in the X direction, the Y direction, and the Z direction. Then I'm also going to take the rotational arrows and rotate it in 3D space. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from a sequencing over here in the inspector again from the 2, so it means it's going to start in its normal position and then it's going to go to this crazy position after. I'm going to change its variation so not all the letters go to the same spot. I'm also going to change the spread to 100 and the position type to relative. Now we also don't want this behavior to start right away, so let's go out to frame 15 and then hit I to set its endpoint. Now the next thing we want to do is go back to frame 15 and add the explosion. So we go to the library, select particle emitters, select pyro, select explosion, and then drag it in. Now, fairly small explosion, so let's drag it out so it's bigger. Okay, so we need an explosion sound. So if we go back to our Finder and we go, connect to server, our magic number, we connect and go to the Common Mac drive. Inside Common Mac, you'll find a folder called Tech Tools, and then Sound Effects. Inside there's all kinds of crazy sounds. One of them is explosion, so find that and copy it to your desktop. Once you have it on your desktop, you simply go to Import, grab explosion.wave, import it, and you'll notice down here on your timeline it is. So let's just slide it forward so it matches where it begins. Okay. Now, we don't need all of this, so we're going to just slide back R to the end of the explosion. So now, our entire animation is just the letters exploding. When we're all done again, we come up to hit Share, Apple Devices, Apple TV. That's it.